Are you tired of working? I know I am. But I mean, are you tired of working like you literally need a break in life, but you still need that income to roll in? That's the type of tired of working I'm talking about. Well, today I'm going to tell you how to make money at Live Good the lazy way. This is the absolutely laziest ways you can do it. So let's get right to it. All right. So what is Live Good? In case it's your first time here, I'm Katina Willis. You see that right here, Katina Willis. And this is the Live Good site where you can take the tour. But basically, Live Good is a powerful system in the, a powerful system in the network marketing industry, products that sell themselves, and they have a generous compensation plan. All right. And so I'm going to tell you, I only tell people how to make money with tried and proven ways that I've done myself. Okay, I'm not just talking, I'm showing you what I actually did to grow my team. So the first way was I went and got a car magnet, y'all. All right, I'm going to show you step by step. I simply went vistaprint.com. All right, you go to vistaprint.com. All right. And so they always got amazing sales, but I want to just show you the car magnet. Okay. Once I went to Vistaprint though, I just typed car magnet. Now I came up with this idea though, because I've been in the real estate business forever. And when I was first growing my business, I would ride around with these car magnets on my car. And so it just drove so many people to my website. I thought to myself, why not do the same thing at Live Good? So as you notice with my car magnet, I just came up with my own slogan and, I didn't want to say, now I'm going to tell you, I didn't want to say Live Good on the car magnet because people could Google Live Good and then they might end up on somebody else's page and I not get credit for it. So that's why I didn't say Live Good. So you basically come up with your own slogan. If you need any type of help with coming up with a slogan or coming up with like your own niche for Live Good, let me know in the comments because I answer each and every question. So, but I'm telling you, this is the lazy way. And y'all driving around anyway. You're driving around. You're driving around on your car. You're driving around with your car. So why not put a car magnet on there? All right. And so I'm going to tell you though, I did make the mistake at first and I had Live Good on my car magnet. But I can't even find it, but let me show you the second way that you can make money at Live Good. You want to make passive income. Now, say you're not feeling lazy this particular day, all right? Or say you got some teenage kids who want to make a couple extra bucks, all right? Another way on using Vistaprint that you could make money is you can use some nice flyers on Live Good, right? So you could go to the gym. All right, you would go to the gym and what you want to do is just put a picture of the Live Good products and then you want to get just this QR code. When people scan it, you put this flyer on people's cars at the gym. Let me try and make this bigger. Trying to make this bigger real quick. So what you want to do when you go to the gym, you put this flyer on people's cars. If they are at the gym, they are already in the mode. Now, this was one side of my flyer, but this was the back. All right. So, but people at the gym, they're already in the mode of living healthier, having more energy, feeling better, feeling stronger. And so when they see super greens and super reds and mushroom coffee, these kinds of things are going to get their attention. And then when you say best products at half the price and all they got to do is scan this QR code right here, guess what? You're going to drive those people to your website and they are going to sign up. So, like I said, the laziest ways to start making money at Live Good. And this is passive income too, y'all, because let me just tell you, let me just show you real quick the compensation plan. There are 6 different ways, y'all, 6 different ways to earn the income at Live Good. So, hey, if you hit the ground running and hit some gyms, That's all you really need to do. So, hey, let me know in the comments, were those lazy ways or were those lazy ways? So let me know. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Katina. If you want to join my team, and all you got to do is take the Live Good tour. It's in the description box below this video. And hey, I would look forward to, I look forward to you joining our team. And hey, let's get to growing. Let's grow at Live Good. Let's get passive income. Let's make money from home and make money online with Live Good. Thanks for watching. I'm Katina Willis. See you on the next video.